Write a query to get the order ID, customer's name, grand total of each order, and the name of the employee who added each order. See below the expected 4 rows. It means that we only need 4 rows here. As you can see, we have order ID, customer names, then the grand total. Grand total is the amount multiplied by the unit price, then the employee that added that particular order. This is going to be 4 table join. And if you look at it now, it means that what? This join will be between the order table, the customers table, the employees table will be there too, and the order details. Because to get this, we need the order details. Let me show you. If we click the order details, you find that that's where we get the unit price multiplied by the quantity. For this particular order, we have this product ID. This is the quantity that was ordered. This is the unit price. We multiply this to have what? The line total. But to have the grand total, we must, after multiply each of these, they will have to add all of them together for this first order. For this one, we have to what? Multiply this 9 by this, 40 by this. Then we add them together for this particular order. Hope you understand. Now, this is the solution. You should understand this. This is how to get the order ID. This is the alliance for the title. This is what the customer name for customers table. Okay. Then this is the alliance too. Then we are now say, okay, good. We need to multiply the quantity by what? The unit price. For what? For each line, for each of the line. Then we need to sum them together. Immediately when you finish for that particular, that's why we are what? Summing them together. Sum. It means when we sum today, you have to do group by. And the group by we did by what? That is the order ID, order details. Because if you look at this place now, this is order details. This table is order details. You know, we use this one. Okay. Then once we have this, the group by will be by this order ID. To sum them together, we use this column as our what? Group by what? Column. To aggregate this, to sum them together. Where after you what? Multiply this. Remember, we also have order ID in orders table. If you check here, you run this now. See this orders table. We have order ID here, this one. But we cannot use this one because the multiplication, the addition is not in this table. It's occurring in this order details table. Okay. So you can see that this order details table is the one that is giving us what? This and this. Then we sum. We do the group by here. Then this is the full name of the employee. Then that means what? 4 tables. The tables are employees table, orders, customers table, this. Then we what? We do the joining by this what? Connection. And if you check here, you find that we are looking at what? Order details, which is this orders table, this is the customers table, this is the employees table, this is the order details table. See the line here? The flow, 4 tables. If you understand this, the later we deal with just what? In ascending order. And one thing you should see is that we are formatting. If you look at the expected result, it's in what? In 2 decimal place. We have to format as well to 2 decimal place. We concur to put the dollar sign because as you can see the expected result, we have a dollar sign here. That's why we are concatenating the summation with the dollar. That is this with this. And let's run it now. Okay, exactly. Remember, we need only 4 results. That's why we are limit 4. Okay, and if you run this here, you have exactly what the question asks us to get. Hope this was also your solution. Thank you for viewing.